Okay, the plug is in, filter's on, oil cap is on the oil filler neck. All right, now you go in the car. You look at your oil pressure gauge, start her up. Where's the oil?
50 or
Where's
60.
the oil? Alright, there you go. You got good pressure. Alright, now you look underneath the car for leaks while it's running. Come on.
I don't see anything.
No leaks. Alright. Engine sounds pretty good. That's what happens when you change the oil all the time at 3,000 miles. Look at it, she's purring like a kitten.
Whoa, what if I touch that?
Yeah. Not bad. Now, you record your mileage. Get one of them sticky sticker sticks.
You have a marker?
No, we gotta get something to write with. And the old sticker. How many miles are on here? 61,850.
Did you take them?
No, they were on the ground somewhere over there.
Probably flew away.
No. Under there, under there. There. You got one for next time. Put one in the glove compartment.
Okay.
Somewhere. Now you're gonna need a what you call a marker? What do you call it?
A marker?
Or a pen? What do you
Alright,
call
just
that?
put it over the old one?
No, you peel it off.
It just comes out.
Just comes right off. And you write the miles on first.
Do you have a marker?
You got to get one in the house. One of them stupid what you call it? One of them great things called.
No, I have pens.
A pen is good, but write pen real thick. Keep writing over the numbers to make the numbers real thick so the sun doesn't fade them out. Now, add 3,000 miles to what you got there.
What's today? August 26th. So that's not 10, no, 8, no, 7. What month is it?
8. So you put 11, you put 3 months, 11, 26. 11, 26.
Right.
3 months, 3,000 miles. And now for the miles, you add 3,000 miles to what you got on the odometer. What do you got on the odometer?
61850.
61,850.
64,000.
64,850.
Let's round up 65,000.
No, 64,850.
Okay.
Make it real thick. Keep writing over and over and over and over and over.
It is?
All right.